y'all, welcome back to my channel. I thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. So today I have the pleasure of working with Asteria hair. I've worked with them before in the past, but I have the pleasure of working with them again today. They sent me their 6x6 HD lace closure wig. I think the texture I have is water wave. If I'm telling any lies, I'm gonna leave the correct information down below in the description where you can check out the company, go to their website, check out what they have, check out this hair. So yeah, all of that would be in the description. Yeah, so this wig was like easy to style. Y'all know I always prep my wigs off of my head on my mannequin head. So installing this wig, it was like a breeze, literally a breeze. I always put my wigs on with my bedhead hardhead spray. I love that spray. And yeah, this wig was easy to put on. Again, I did put this wig on the same day as the wig that was previous to this one, so you see me in the same shirt, that's why. But anyway, this texture was so freaking pretty, so pretty. I love water wave textures. I hope this is the right texture, but I love textures like this. Give you a curl, but it's not so tight, you know what I'm saying? So this is a super pretty wig. Yeah, again, this install is super self-explanatory, so I'm going to be quiet. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright y'all, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, this is a wig from Asteria Hair. This is their 6x6 HD lace closure wig. I believe it is a water wave texture. I have a 250% density, and this is a medium cap, if I didn't say that at the beginning. But of course, all information and specs about this wig and the company is in the description box if you're interested. I thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one. Love y'all. Bye.